What's up, guys? It's Jay, and welcome back to another episode of JAYdotMAK. I know, it's been a long-ass time since I posted up a video on this channel. In fact, the last time I posted a video on this channel, I copped one of my all-time holy grails. A sample pair of OG 750s with the glow sole. And since then, I haven't really felt the need to be copping shoes. Until recently, when them leather Bred 4s dropped. Man. I mean, come on now. A Bred 4 that you can wear and beat up without worrying about the Durabuck peeling off? Yeah, you ain't a sneakerhead if you wasn't feeling some type of way about these leather Bred 4s. Taking a classic shoe to a whole nother level. However, over the past years since I've been gone, I've gained a new appreciation for just wearing the shoes I own, not buying any new ones, and enjoying wearing those shoes in the moment, and not giving a fuck if I'm creasing my shoe or getting them a little bit dirty. And one of the pairs that I've been beating up for the past 6 or 7 years are my cool gray lows, which you can see have all sorts of dirt and grime from riding around on my scooter, working on cars, and just living life. And I've been wearing these, like I said, for like damn near 10 years now, without ever cleaning it. And it shows. So I think we're gonna bust out the big guns to give these girls a nice cleaning. Now, normally, we'd be using these little brushes that we got back in the day from the Rejuvenator cleaning kit. But I don't think that's gonna cut it for pretty much 10 years of dirt and grime just caked into the suede upper of the cool gray lows. So, I'm gonna bust my drill out with my upholstery cleaning attachment. Usually, this is something that I'd only bring out if I'm detailing a car, pulling out all the seats and giving the carpet a good shampoo. But instead, we're just gonna use them on a pair of shoes. But because the uppers are made of suede on the cool gray lows, I'm using the softest bristle attachment that I can, because I don't want to damage the upper of the shoes any more than they already have been from normal wear. And I'm trying my best not to leave any drill burns or swirl marks on the patent leathers. So if you are thinking of using a drill on your shoes, make sure you keep the drill head nice and soapy and you don't keep it in one place too long. That way you minimize any heat on the patent leather and you don't get any damages. But after about 20 to 30 minutes of taking the drill to the shoes, 2 days of drying, a new pair of laces, and a little bit of mink oil on the suede to soften it up after being drenched from cleaning these. I gotta say, these cool gray lows look pretty goddamn good. I mean, yeah, they got some scratches on the side, a few creases, and like I said, they needed a brand new pair of laces, but considering what they look like beforehand, it's pretty much a night and day difference. But my favorite part about all this is if we flip these bitches upside down and we take a look at the bottom of that sole, these have aged really well with that nice yellowing on the underneath, but it's still icy enough to see the Jordan logo through. And if you look, it's like the seam for the side. You can still see the yellowing on the side, but there's still parts of the sole where you can see the original iciness, and it just gives it a nice, worn, aged look on a 7-year-old shoe. Bringing these cool gray 11 lows back from beaters and turning them into a verified pair of heaters. So, my name is Jay, and this was another episode of JAYdotMAK. I want to thank y'all motherfuckers for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below, and I'll let you know that I do got a few other shoes that I have been beaten that I am going to clean up for some future vidges, as well as some shoes that I'm going to double back on and pick up this summer that I didn't originally get, because there's some heaters out there that are really just flying under the radar, and I kind of want to make sure you guys get some of them things, because it's kind of what I do around here, is let you guys know what shoes are going to go big without spending the entire bag. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. My name's Jay. This is another episode of JAYdotMAK. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see y'all motherfuckers later.